Welcome everybody. Thank you so much for joining my talk today. I'm very excited to present to all of you out there. My name is Josh Lenn and I'm just going to dive right in. So let me share my screen with you. Which one is it? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh wait, I'm sorry. This is the totally wrong screen. Apologies. Hold on a second. Here we go. Great. Are you all seeing this? Is everyone seeing this? Okay.
Well, we can't hear you, Josh. I think you're muted.
I'm on mute? Oh, God, sorry. Jesus. Hold on a second. Oh, God. Yeah. I'm sorry about that. How many of these presentations have we seen like this online? Too many. Come on, everybody. It's been over a year. We need to stop delivering presentations like this. Backlight, sitting down, no energy, too much stuff. Everything's wrong here. And I still continue to see these presentations, and they suck our time, our valuable time, and they're boring us. I want to help you do it differently. I've created a crash course that's going to give you the tips, best practices, and strategies about how to deliver presentations online with impact. And it's going to give you, it's quick. It's like an hour of content, it's some downloads. It's going to give you everything on how to set up for success, how to show up and make an impact, how to own the camera, how to create an engagement strategy, how to do effective screen sharing, not like this, and how to end with a bang. So this is a one-time deal too. You buy the course, you own it for life. It's very inexpensive, and it's going to make a big difference in how you deliver here, which means a lot. There's a huge opportunity to stick out. So I hope you'll take the course, and see you online.